A zine, short for magazine, is a self-published work of art that can be reproduced with a photocopier. It is usually small in size and has fewer pages than a magazine or a book. Zines are great for expressing ideas, sharing your knowledge, mini comics, mixing words with images and textures. You will need a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, a pair of scissors, and whatever writing or drawing tools you would like to use. Take your sheet of paper and fold it long sides together. Open it up, then fold it short side together. Open it up again, and this time take the short sides and have them meet in the middle. Open again and fold the sheet short sides together. Take your scissors and cut down the middle fold line halfway through the sheet. Open your sheet up one final time and fold it in half with long sides together. This time, push the paper inwards to create your pages. Number your pages and label the front and back to help yourself when you open the page back up. Once you've done this, you're ready to start your zine. Here are some prompts for zine topics. A how-to zine. Are you an expert in something? Share your knowledge by showing steps or a sequence of events. A day in the life, spring break 2020. Document a day of your spring break. What events may have shaped this spring break more than others? I wish someone had told me. What lessons have you learned that you would want to pass on to someone? What wisdom can you offer to someone reading your zine? Draw your zine first in pencil, then go over it in pen.